What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new let's just call this the car series, modding my Camry. So I'm about to show y'all how I put on my splitter on my car. Yeah. So this is my splitter all the way around. It makes the car sit a lot lower too as well. Alright, so I'm gonna put the link of the splitter that I use down in the description. One thing to note about it, it comes with some self-tap screws. You're gonna have to get a drill or something to drill into it. It doesn't already have holes existing or anything like that, so just be mindful of that. Also a note too as well, don't mess up on this. I kind of messed up and put these screws on the top side. They actually meant to go on the bottom side, but they was not, for some reason it wasn't drilling into the top layer. So this doesn't look bad. Hopefully they don't rust. If they start rusting, I'll probably do like vinyl wrap over it or something like that. You probably couldn't see with the light. This is what I'm talking about. All right, so I got the car lifted up on some like some small blocks. As you can see, it's way off the ground right now. Got that one on a block as well, block of wood, to try to get some more room underneath. I went ahead and pre-drilled these in, so it's one big piece now. All right, so right here, I try to line it up with the bumper. As you can see, all the way around, pretty much got this side tightened down. I still gotta put this screw in, and then now I gotta do that side. All right, real quick, I want to show you guys this. So I got this side pretty much flush. Now on this side, it's not flush. So I'm about to see if I can unscrew these bolts and push it back. Unscrew these bolts and then push it back and see if I can fix it. Don't do that. Okay. Came out great. But this is gonna do it for this video. Peace, y'all. Please don't forget to share this video, like the video if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new. All right, see you on the next one.
Perfect.